everyone, welcome back. My name is Heidi with RV Roadway, and today we're looking at the brand new 2025 Forest River Vibe 2600 rear kitchen. So up front, electric ton jack. You got your propanes right here and your battery disconnect directly behind. Coming on down the campsite, you're going to see that you have a massive pass-through storage right here. You can put lots of stuff in here, and it's very wide and in depth throughout. Now you do have electric stabilizers on all four corners, which is a must-have. Coming on down, you have a 20-foot electric power awning with a LED strip, and you also have a 30-inch wide entry door. You do have the step above steps right here with your lend-a-hand grab rail, and you also have your wide stance axles right here. That's going to allow for a much better tow, and it's going to distribute that cargo carrying capacity evenly throughout the coach. Coming on down, you have an outdoor kitchen right here where you can put your grill in here, and you also have a Hot Point outdoor mini refrigerator. Stepping onto the inside of the coach, you have dual recliners right here. You have a hide-a-bed sofa right here with an ottoman, but it's much more than an ottoman. Check this out. So when your table is full, which you have a 5-seater dinette table, by the way, you also have, this is a new feature for the year 2025, a hidden table where you and your loved ones can sit right here and watch a movie and eat at the same time. And you also have some hidden storage directly beneath that. Now, coming on down to the kitchen side, you're going to see that you have a new shape 5-seater dinette right here. You have a table that you can move. You can lower the height, raise the height. It goes all throughout. You can do many things with that. Like I said, rear kitchen in this beautiful rear kitchen travel trailer. You have a farmhouse style sink right here with your gold and black high-rise matte pull-out faucet. 3-burner cooktop, but come here and let me show you the new thing for 2025. Right here, you have a 3-in-1 combo with a grill, convection, and a microwave. So check that out. That's a very cool feature, which is also new. Once again, the 3-burner cooktop. You have your 12-volt Furrion refrigerator right here. And you also do have your free-standing pantry right here as well. Before I forget, you have a new entertainment wall right here with this matte black backer. It looks really good with the wood accent. Smart TV right here, 30-inch electric fireplace, and you have some shelving. Now come on back to the bathroom. A 36 by 30 freestanding shower right here. It comes with a built-in cover as well. You do have your vanity sink right here with dual medicine cabinets now, so not just one but dual. And you also have 4 pull-out cabinets right here for storage and a little bit of linen storage under here as well. Now my favorite thing about 2025 is that in your master bedroom on all Vibe models, you now get washer dryer prep. So you do have your queen bed right here, massive windows. Absolutely love this white new curtains that we have going on. You have dual reading lights right here. You also have hanging space, but you also have your new washer dryer prep right here. Let me show it to you. Located and available at RV Roadway in Calera, Alabama. It's time for you and your family to take life on the road. Until next time, we'll see you then.